marching through. Hi, I'm Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim with today's walking workout. Before we start, particularly if you're wearing bare feet, check there's nothing that's going to hurt your feet or anything you're going to trip over or bash into. All you need is the space of a fitness mat. If you've got a bit more space, that's great, you can make the moves bigger. I'm going to turn, but you can stay facing me. I want you to go 2 forward, 2 back. So if you've got the energy, make it big. If you're not so fit, a little bit older, you might prefer to keep it a bit smaller. So throughout the workout, if I add complex arms, you can leave them out if you want. The steps, when I say make big steps, you can make them just a little bit bigger if you want. Well done. We're going to change that to wide at the front, together at the back. So you start to challenge your brain as well as your body slightly. And again, that could just be a very small movement. If you're a little bit overweight, that might be enough for you. But if you're just trying to get a bit fitter and find these workouts at the right level, then maybe you want to make it a bit bigger. Well done. Remember, your body, your workout. We're going to tap, pause at the back, tap chain, other side, left, right. Some of you that will be really easy for, others are going to struggle. So don't worry if you haven't, try and catch up and change to the other leg if you can. If you never get it, really doesn't matter. Let's tap and change again. So right, left. Wide at the front, together at the back. Now I'm going to start to add some arms. Out, out, let's pump. So you can choose to leave out the arms if it's too much for your brain or for your body. Ready to change? One more, and then tap change, tap side. I've changed the lead arm as well, but do what feels right for you. Well done. You're doing great. Ready to change? 4, 3, 2, tap change. Tap change. Well done. So you can add a little twist to the body if you want. That is optional. If you're struggling with a step, stay with the easy step. If it really is getting too much for you, you can always march on the spot, go back to that 2 forward and back, whatever feels good. I'm going to keep it back straight onto the front, but if you want to keep that twist, you can. Last 2, I'm going to go back to that marching on the spot. With a little tap, so 4, 3, 2, tap. Make yourself enough space so if you can walk 4 steps forward. So you might need to shuffle along to the side of your mat. Let's march it forward for 4, 3, 2. I've got a little bit more space here, but I tend to go off camera if I go too far forward. So if you want to make it a bit harder, you can add a little arm movement. I just keep it with bicep curls, somewhere in the middle. Come back to face me, let's change direction in a moment. Get yourself to a position where you've got space. And 4, 3, 2. Maybe now you want to add a knee lift at the end. Leave it up to you. If that's too much, just keep it here with a tap. I'm going to make it easy on myself today. Moving across to the left-hand side of your mat now. Let's march it through, right, left, right, left. And we're going to go with, this is going to be a grapevine eventually, but let's start with single side steps. Well done. Let the arms relax, shake them out. Just let them swing gently. Well done. Two steps. And back. Swing the arms. And pull, swim. Now those that can, we're going to go straight into grapevine and stay there. So step cross behind, step and tap. I'm going to turn around and show those of you slowly. Don't know how to do it. Tap together. Step cross behind, step and tap. Step, cross behind, step and tap. Step, cross behind, step. I'm going to stay slow. The rest of you stay fast speed if you're happy with it. Are you with me? Let's go up to beat, up to time. Step, cross together, step and tap. Well done. If you need to go half time, that's fine. Holding it here. So those that can't manage the grapevine, just stay with the double step. We're going to go back into that from the beginning. Step, tap. There was a funny beat in there somewhere. Don't worry if you're not on the same beat as me, it really doesn't matter. Two steps and back. Grapevine, and add those arms. Do whatever arms feel right for you. If this doesn't work, I'm going to change the arms in a moment. So when I change the arms, you might want to go back to a double side step. So let's go to a double side step first. The arms go out, up, out and down. Now if that doesn't feel quite right for you, you don't like taking your arms above your head, you can do out, forward, out and down if you prefer. I'm going to stay with up, so just a little bit of work for the shoulders. Try and keep the neck and shoulders relaxed fairly. Nice big gap between the shoulders and the ear. We're not scrunching up to do this. Well done. Can you try that with a grapevine? One more each way. Well done. Side step. Bring it forward to me for 4, 3. If you only got room for 2, go back after the first 2. You can always do 2 forward, 2 back. If you need to turn sideways and do it on your mat. I'm having to be a bit careful here. So side step, side step, side step, forward, back, back. Do what feels right for you. Kick it across. Well done. We're starting with a little toe tap in front for this track. Well done. Remember to pace yourself. So if you've got plenty of energy, add a bit of attitude, add a little bit of a bounce. If you're struggling and you're maybe a little bit overweight or recovering from an illness, and you want to just do a gentle workout, that's fine too. Kind of take it up a bit, add some energy, but you work at your level. Well done. Okay, we're going to take it across with a kick. So soft knees, try not to snap your knees out. Now again, I'm lifting my foot off the floor, kicking across. If that's too much for you, just try and get a little bit of a across the body, keep the toe on the floor to help you balance. Go with what works for you. We're going to work these muscles in your hips, really helping you balance. If you're standing on one leg, it's going to help it even more, but I don't want you falling over. Well done. Well done. Okay, go back to the toe tap. I can remember back in the 80s, spending hours in the disco just doing this. Nothing else, just tap the toe in front. Last 4, 3, and we're going to go back to that kick across or toe tap across. Keeping the elbows soft if you're throwing your hands away. Don't have to do the arms, it's what's right for you. Let's catch the beat and march, right, left, right, left. We're going to go to a side step. So step and tap. Step and bring the foot together. Now, if you've got plenty of energy, make that nice and big Add some bicep curls for now. If that's too much, this is fine too. You've got to go with what's right for you. Catch your breath if you need to. Well done. Don't forget to have a glass of water nearby when you're working out. If you feel a bit thirsty, just walk over to your glass, have a sip, come back again. Let's change the arms. So I'm keeping my shoulders quite relaxed, but trying to lift them up about shoulder height. You need a nice clap if you want with your hands. A bit loud on the microphone, so I will keep that down. Bring it forward for 2 and back for 2. If you haven't got room for that, you just have to stay on the spot. Well done. Taking it into a slow side step. So keeping the feet a lot smaller, we're bringing the heart rate down. Well done. You've been working out really hard today. Just make it through to the end, finish with a stretch. Bring the feet in front this time with a heel dig. So I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. Just sticking the heel out, sticking that heel up. But it's not big. Let the shoulders relax. Keep breathing, nice deep breaths. Catch your breath. Back to side steps. Well done. Hope you've enjoyed today's workout. We're not quite finished yet, we're still walking through, but taking our heart rate down, slowing the beat. Heels in front. So I'm taking it right across in front. If that doesn't work for you, just take it out in front. You've got to work with your body. If your balance doesn't allow you to go across, or it's uncomfortable on your ankles, uncomfortable on your hips, just do whatever you need to do. So this is fine too. This is fine if you need it to be even. 4, 3, 2, back to heel raises. Lift and lift, lift and lift. Side and back, side and back. Well done. Let the body sway, sway, sway. If that doesn't feel right or makes you feel giddy, please just do a small side step. 4, 3, 2, 1. Heel in front. Heel raises. Try and keep those hips facing me. Well done. So we're not twisting side to side or sticking the hip out. Pulling the belly in, keeping the head up, shoulders back. Circle the shoulders back. Nice and relaxed circle though. Shouldn't be tense. You're ready to march. Right, left. Or left, right, really doesn't matter. 3, 2, 1 and a heel dig. 3, 2, 1, heel forward. If heel doesn't work for you, go with a toe tap, that's fine too. Keeping it small. Side, 1, 2, 3 to the side, side. Let's finish with a stretch today. Usual stretch we do just to give the calves a little bit of a stretch. I'm going to start by just lifting up the heels and taking one heel back, bringing it in. Push that heel all the way into the mat, bring it in. And then I'm going to ask you to hold that right heel down into the mat, Watch they're both facing forward. If you find that you're wobbling a bit, take that front foot wider. And we're trying to keep the hips facing me at the front. I'm going to turn again sideways so you can see. So we don't want this sort of movement. I want the body facing the same way. Have a look at what's going on with your knee, knees above the ankle. Wherever that stretch is felt in the calf for you, or even wherever you feel the stretch in the calf. Well done. Sometimes I have trouble with my words. Okay, let's change sides. Let's just start by tapping back. Do the right leg the first time. Remember which leg you did. We want to stretch both. Have evenness in both sides of the body. Watch you've got your balance. Nice straight line. You can't see anything when I do it that way. Try and relax your head down. Once you're in position, don't look at me. Look down or look forward, relax. Feel what's going on with your body. Are you feeling the stretch in the calf? If not, maybe adjust the foot, turn the heel out a little bit. Feel it where you feel you need it. Front knee above the ankle, between the ankle and the toe. Knee shouldn't be dropping in. That's what I mean by dropping in. It shouldn't be here, it should be straight forward. Have a look and see. Well done, shake out your legs. Thank you so much for joining me in today's workout. I hope you had fun. See you again in the next workout. Bye for now.